A very good morning to my dear children. Hope all of you are doing well at home. How is things moving? Are you doing well at home? Yeah. Now last class we have started our new lesson named Where Are the Peanuts? We have just summarized the story in the last class and today we will read the lesson. So all of you please get ready with your textbook. Lesson 7. Where are the peanuts? All of you take page number 45. This page. Here first is an activity for you. Get started. Spot 5 differences between the two pictures. You can see 2 pictures here. There are some differences in these pictures. You have to find out the differences and note down here. Okay, it is an activity for you. Do it by yourself. Okay? Next, we can read the lesson. All of you take your textbook. Place your finger below each word. Ready? Yeah. Tutu is a squirrel. He lives in the hollow of a tree. Tutu loves peanuts. He has many peanuts in his house. One evening, he cannot find the peanuts. Tutu is very sad. He runs to his friend, the big old tree. So what happened here? Yeah, Tutu. Tutu is a squirrel. Have you seen the squirrel? See this picture? Yeah, all of you have seen the squirrel. And he lives in the hollow of his tree. Where does he live? Yeah, in the hollow of a tree. So what is hollow? Hollow. Hollow. Hollow means a hole. The hole of a tree. Tutu loves peanuts. He has many peanuts in his house. He has lot of peanuts in his house. He loves peanuts very much. But what happened? One evening, he cannot find the peanuts. Somebody has taken his peanuts. Tutu was very sad. He was very sad. He runs to his friend. And what is the name? Who is his friend? Yeah, a big old tree. Turn the page. I cannot find my peanuts, says Tutu. Says the tree. Where do you keep your peanuts? I keep them in a small box. I put the box under my bed, says Tutu. Soon, Chirpy the bird comes and sits on a branch above Tutu. Why are you sad? She asks Tutu. Someone has taken his peanuts, says the tree. So what happened next? He goes to his friend, big old tree, and says that I cannot find my peanuts. Hearing this, the tree asks, where do you keep them? Tutu says that he kept it in a small box and he put it under his bed. At that time, Chirpy, a bird, came there and she sits on the branch of a tree. And she asks, why are you sad, Tutu? What happened to you? Hearing this, the tree replied that Tutu has lost his peanuts. Someone has taken his peanuts. Oh, I'm sorry. I cannot help you, says Chirpy and flies away. So, hearing this, the bird, what is the name of the bird? Yes, Chirpy. She says that I can't help you. And then she flies away. At that time, hello Tutu, say Teeny and Weeny, the 2 mice. Why are you sad? So now came 2 mice. What is mice? Mice is the plural of mouse. Have you seen mouse? Yeah, it's a form of rat. Hope all of you have seen this mouse. So here two mice came. Their names were Teeny and Weeny. They also asked Tutu, why are you sad, Tutu? Hey Tutu, why are you sad? Someone has taken his peanuts, says the tree. Now also the tree replied that Tutu's peanuts has taken by somebody else. Oh, that's too bad, say Teeny and Weeny. Where does he keep them? So hearing this, they also says that, oh, poor Tutu. Actually, where do you keep them? Where do you keep them? Then the tree replied, he keeps them inside a pot. The pot is on the table, says the old tree. Now the tree says that Tutu kept the peanuts inside a pot and he puts the pot on the table. Is it right, children? No, actually Tutu keeps the peanuts inside a small box and he put it under his bed. But this time the old tree has said that Tutu keeps it inside a pot and put it on the table. Hearing this, Teeny says, not a pot, says Teeny. He keeps them in a box under the bed. How do you know that? Asked Tutu, looking surprised. How do you know that? Why? Because Teeny says the truth. Teeny says that Tutu has kept it in a box under the bed. So from this, what do you understand, my dear children? Yeah, the peanuts are actually taken by Teeny and Weeny. They have stolen the peanuts. So now what happened? Teeny and Weeny cried and says, we are very sorry. We are very sorry, cried Teeny and Weeny. We will not take your peanuts again. Now they are very guilty. They felt very sorry and they say sorry to our Tutu and promise that they would never take the peanuts again. That's the story, my dear children. How is it? Do you enjoy it? Yeah. So here there are four. Let us discuss it. First session, complete these sentences. Page number 45. First one, Tutu lives in a dash in a tree. What is the answer? Yeah, hollow. What's the spelling? Hollow. Second question, the big old tree is Tutu's dash. Yeah, friend. It is big old tree is Tutu's friend. Then turn the page. Page number 46. Question number 3. Tutu is looking for dash. A. Walnuts. B. Cashew nuts. C. Peanuts. What's the answer? Yes, C. Peanuts. All of you mark there. Peanuts. And fourth one in page number 47. Teeny and Weeny steal the nuts from dash. A. A box. B. A pot. C. A shop. What's the answer? Yeah, A. A box. Put a tick mark there. A box. So, dear children, now it is time to stop here. Please do one thing. Read the text very well. So many times read the text and study the difficult words and study the 4 textual exercises we have done today. That's all for today. We will discuss the next topic on the next day. Till then, take care. Thank you.